how beautiful that is. I needed a beautiful day. I think I got it. Very cool suspension bridge. Let's check this out. Yeah, this is above the falls. We're not gonna go too far. Woo! So I'm thinking we went the wrong way on the path. Woo! Got people down there swimming. How you doing, babe?
Still breathing. Just barely.
That is beautiful. We'll figure this out. Guess I'll go find Jeff now. And this is Cane Creek and Rock House Falls. Right down here. Careful, babe. That must be Cane Creek. And there's the waterfall. Look at that. And there is a little one right there. Too bad we can't see it better, but nice. Alrighty, Fall Creek Falls, Piney Falls, and a scenic view. Nice short little walk from the parking area. Where'd you go? Isn't this pretty? Oh my gosh. Look at that little one over there. Beautiful.
Not much of a pool. There's much water that's coming out.
No, it's not. At most.
I bet in the spring it's almost up to that break in the rocks up there.
You think so?
Yeah, I bet.
Huh.
At least to the great break in the weeds and grass and stuff.
Could be. Let's see what we see over here. I see trees.
There's a hard
And
trail
rocks. That's beautiful. Very strenuous 0.4 mile trail to the bottom of the falls. So this is a nice beginning to my birthday month. What are you going to do the rest of the month?
I don't know for sure. We're going to Somerset in a few days.
I don't know what's there. Maybe we'll make it to Cumberland Falls this month. We'll see.
Oh, that's possible.
Oh, yeah. That's really just a short little walk from the parking area. Totally worth it. That's a beautiful waterfall. Just beautiful. And there's a picnic area here. Look, tables. You could bring your little picnic. Uh-oh, poor puppy. And here we go back.
I don't know what's worse for me, the humidity or the heat or the...
I know,
drowned.
we just said what a nice little short walk it is from the parking lot, but you know, we're in Tennessee, it's 87 degrees, and the humidity just does me in, I think. Where are we off to next?
Want to do that mountain drive?
Yeah, we can do that scenic drive. That might be nice. Look at that. Hi, little guy.
Right there.
Aww. Uh-oh, car's coming. Guess we gotta go. Look at this cool area. Let's walk over here. My goodness. Don't let me startle you. I'm kind of coming up behind you. Head down. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We do hope you're enjoying sharing our travels with us.
And don't forget that thumbs up button and subscribe.
Have a great day, everybody.